Hey, buddy. Let's not make you wait for your food today. Yeah, Mama. Oh, come here. Come here, bud. Hi. Good boy. We have stopped the doxycycline in the medicine, so hopefully he'll get a little less worried. I'm going to grab him here over the next few days. I see the cardinal down there on the Mahonia berries. I accidentally scared Morris off. It's been a little bit since I was out back and he was asleep on the heating pad in the chair up here. It's just gorgeous today. I'm mostly happy about the wind and the sun to prevent powder mold. I was a little worried, you know, we had wet leaves on everything for 4 or 5 days, and that is known to cause problems. Bluebirds are doing great. I haven't seen the babies trying to do any climbing up the inside of the box or testing their feathers or anything yet, their wings out. So I need to do the math on what day they should leave. Oh, I hear them. Dad's there with a insect. I'm working on fountains. This one needs a new tube, and I think we have stuff. The heart at the top is good, but what's going on at the tape and at the bottom is not good. It's not long enough, and it's bending, and that blue thing needs to be leveled better. That one's giving me some trouble, but this one went up super easy. No problems whatsoever plugging it in and turning it on. And this one was also super easy. I really, really like this one. It's just a jug that I got at Guardian Angel with this cheap fountain thing on top. I love that. Part of its ease. Beauty and ease. Oh, my bubbler's working now. It's a little too fast, but it's working. So that's good. It wasn't working initially. I wasn't sure. I think intermittently it was going out last year, so it probably needs a new pump. And then I can't get in to plug Morris's Asian fountain in, but I've got it over there, and that'll be a quick fix. So if I can get Dawn to redo this one tube for me, I think I'll be good. And then I got to decide where the new fountain's going.
Hey, what you got there?
Well, apparently I have a new diverter.
No, a new head, a faucet head.
Head, okay.
Yeah. You can't replace the diverter. Yeah, it's got 4 functions.
Well, at least 2.
You can just push that, to go back.
Cool.
Yeah, it actually does a little better than that. Yeah. Oh, I don't know what I was showing there. I was watching the thing and not the camera. Anyway, This one's got 4 functions. It's got the normal stream, then it's got the spray, and then it's got like a wand thing. And anyway, it's a little bigger than the other one. It went on fine. This is a universal kit. It had 15 different adapters. Sorry. Yeah, it had 15 different adapters. It took like a minute or two to, I mean, it really, it went on just fine. We'll see.
Well, it wasn't expensive, right, to replace it?
That's right. It was $10.
And the original faucet thing was cheap also. We've got a lower end one.
Yeah, that was only like $60. That's right. It wasn't a super, the whole thing was only like $60.
So if this thing lasts 5 years, we're good.
Yeah, well, the other ones we bought in 2019, so it was actually over 6 years old.
Okay. It's fresh bacon day at our house. Make sure Don's got an adequate amount on his plate. We've already been having a few pieces while we were cooking. Well, I enjoyed the Easter stuff, and I'm getting ready to box it up. Shouldn't take me too long. Don's headed out back, or excuse me, out front. It seems like the back sometimes, since we come and go from the back of the house, it makes the front seem like the back sometimes. Anyway, he's going to go work on the bird bath project, assuming it's dry enough to work there.
Well, I'm back out here. It's Sunday afternoon. Had a good breakfast, so I'm going to try to knock this out, finish the ring. And as I said, don't expect it to come out perfect. I expect there to be a gap, and I'm going to use that gap to hold the pedestal of the bird bath. But I've got my line marked. I got my auger. I'm going to carefully dig up that dirt, and it's really wet, but I'll hopefully not turn it into a mud bog here. We'll see.
Easter's put away, changed the tablecloth out, put some of the core elements back, and a few flowers that I've done on the road between here and UNCC. This one's modified. I had to do a bit of work to get it balanced where it would stay there. I'm not sure the modification's better than what it was. It's just what I ended up with the birds. This one is built as is. Anyway, I'm thinking about doing an amusement park on the table for the summer. Stuff that hasn't been on the table in years. We'll see when I get to that.
Well, plans change. I put that bottom block on the end there and saw that basically I'm not going to be able to go across. It's going to be completely buried, so I needed a 4th course. So I added the 4th course, and it looks like the 4th course will do my intent. I have enough blocks, so I'm going to do the 4th course here. It's actually stacking blocks on top of the ones that's already laid is like a 2-second job per. I mean, it's just really easy. Digging out that dirt and leveling up that first course that's sitting on the ground. That's where the work is. But I've gotten pretty good at it, I guess, or good enough at it that I can do it. But I think adding the 4th course, of course, now the usable area has gotten smaller again, but since we've decided to put the bird bath on the perimeter or on the circumference of the circle versus in the middle, it's actually probably going to work out all right.
Oh, it ran right away, Donnie. It lit up and it's running. It's spilling over the side. It's so exciting. Awesome. I like it every bit as much as I thought I would. And we put it here this year. Who knows where we'll put it next year. Same spot if we're happy with it. And if not, we've leveled a spot for a Japanese maple with the, you know, stones in a pot. Very nice. Everything I hoped for when I bought it. Well, there it is. Just giving you a feel for where it is in the side yard. So if you follow the trail out, you'll end up walking past it. And I can see it from the bedroom window. And it's not directly in the path of the runoff problem. It looks really good. I'm super stoked. And I wouldn't say that I made it for viewing from the glider. But if you do come and sit on the glider, you can definitely appreciate it from here too. So we're very happy, aren't we, Stripe? It looks like it's coming together to me.
Yeah, I gotta set this one and one more over here. And then I'm gonna set that for the bird bath.
Sure.
So you could, that one's the last one. So the bird bath is gonna go right here.
Sure.
Somehow or another. I don't know yet.
Yeah, you got to set the stones first. Sure, yeah. Sure.
But that's where the bird bath's going to go.
Awesome. I like it after he added the 4th course. It's high enough for convenient sitting now. So these Cybertruck Vault storage bins came a couple of days ago. And let's see what they look like inside the truck. They should fit 3 across. And I walked away and it locked back up. And also, they should go down in these grooves so they don't slide around. The back is free, but I'm suspecting that that's not quite halfway. So I'm probably going to have to move stuff forward just a bit. I want to say that for 3 storage bins, they're actually kind of heavy. I mean, 6 of the Rubbermaid totes like I have up there, when they come in the box, they're not light either, but they're heavy for hollow things. So it's a generous sized bin. It's meant to fit 6 back there, 3 across by 2 this way. And they do lock. I guess it remains to be understood as to whether or not when they open in place with all 6 of them loaded, or you actually have to move them away from the others to be able to unlatch them. But you'll see on the top, it has the same Cybertruck bed grooves, and then on the bottom it has them. So you really can't stack them higher with the tonneau cover closed. But if you did put one on top of the other, they would have the grooves work right. Well, there they are, including putting the bed divider back in. I had to, I don't know, fuss with it for a minute. On this side, it wasn't quite down low enough. I just kept on working it till I got it right. I definitely don't think you can get in and out of them if you put them in latched without sliding them out a little bit. But if you want to carry cargo and you want it to be waterproof and secure and not rolling around and all of that stuff, I think it's pretty cool. And like I said, you're supposed to be able to put them in here twice if you wanted to. So if you took out the gate divider and the bed divider, and had, you know, another set of 3, you could. So that's what it looks like on the ground, and I'm just showing that you can open up the under area storage. I thought that was the vault with plenty of clearance, so that's good. I don't know what we did before we had the auger for the drill, but that sure does save some serious time. Well, this time we're layering. We're not getting caught with our pants down this time, right?
Yeah, having to try to mix it in.
Having to try to come back afterward and do the whole thing.
We're going to auger it. Hopefully that'll mix the layers.
I told Donnie if we did the dirt tonight, I might could plant it tomorrow. I give up on waiting for it to settle. All right, it's all ready to be planted. We think we got it mounded up enough and mixed enough.
Yeah,
Settling will be okay, and it's not going to become hard as rock, and I think we're good. So tomorrow, that stuff, this stuff, going here.
And if she gets her part done, I'll put the bird bath up there.